Here's the 20 centimeter check. It's hard to get the scope of the picture here. Let's see, 20 centimeters is right there. So if I move closer, you can see right there on the cusp, and a little bit of hysteresis of me moving my hand back and forth. Anything outside of here, it's not detecting. Anything inside of here, it's going to just stay lit. So right there is about 20 centimeters. And then of course it's got just a little bit of motion. That hysteresis of 2, it's basically, it's pretty close to that. Like I said, I was impressed with the sensor. It's pretty accurate as far as the distance that comes back, it seems. There you go.